Subtractive manufacturing, while incredibly versatile, has remained out of reach for many creators due to its complexity and cost. Meet Carvera Air, a smart desktop CNC designed for every creator. One machine aimed to redefine the boundaries of creativity and accessibility. Wood, plastic, metal, even printed circuit boards. Explore unlimited possibilities with endless materials. All-in-one CAM software and a cross-platform controller set Carvera Air apart as a smart machine that helps you every step of the way. The self-calibrated anchor system and laser indicator make setting origin positions effortless and eliminate setup errors and hassles for machining. Experience unmatched precision and simplicity with hands-free auto probing and auto leveling, guaranteeing optimal results. Equipped with an innovative quick tool changer, the Carvera Air allows you to switch tools in seconds and without any wrenches or tools needed, keeping your projects moving smoothly with less hassle. Unlock a new dimension of creation with our 4th axis module, enabling true 3D modeling and stunningly realistic results. The optional laser module transforms your Carvera Air into a powerful laser engraver for creative finishes on your projects. A great addition for PCB manufacturing and projects requiring graphics or text. The fully enclosed frame and dust collection system keeps things clean, reduces noise, and ensures your personal health and safety. The first of its kind, the Carvera Air introduces a solid die-cast frame into a desktop CNC design, ensuring exceptional rigidity and reliability. Designed for every maker, the Carvera Air brings the power of CNC machining to your home, your hobbies, your business, making your creative journey easier than ever before. For the era of makers, Carvera Air, a smart and versatile desktop CNC for everyone.